my question is, if Donnie McClurkin came to your room unexpectedly, why did you fall asleep with this same man in your room that you said did all these other things to you without your permission? That's my question. Because if somebody come to my room after they've done all this stuff to me that I did not approve, even if I'm nice to say, well, come on in and have a talk, as soon as I'm done talking, you getting up and getting out my room. You not staying here. You are a whole celebrity. You can get you a hotel room. So how is it? See, there's a gap in there. So maybe the lawyers can fill in where that gap is. How is it that Donnie McClurkin was still in your room? And how is it, if he was still in your room, that you were comfortable enough to fall asleep with him in your room? I got a question.